Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The statement of numerical that we are going to solve is given as a point charge of 3.12 into 10 to minus 6 coulombs is 12.3 centimeter distant from a second point charge of minus 1.48 into 10 to minus 6 coulombs. We note data as given in this statement. 1 point charge, we name it as Q1, has value 3.14 into 10 to minus 6 coulombs, and second point charge has amount minus 1.48 into 10 to minus 6 coulombs. These two charges are 12.3 centimeters distant apart. So distance between these charges is given as 12.3 centimeters. In meters, this distance can be written as 0.123 meters. Calculate magnitude of force on each charge. We have to calculate the force acting on each charge. This is our requirement of this problem. So suppose this is charge Q1 and at distance r this is charge Q2. As we know that by Coulomb's law, the force between two charges is written as F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over R square. This is the mutual force acting between these two charges. Charge Q1 and charge Q2 exert equal and opposite forces on each other. So to calculate the magnitude of each force, we have to use this formula. So for numerical value of force, we put values. Here K is constant. Its value is given as 9 into 10 to 9. The value of charge Q1 is given in this statement as 3.14 10 to minus 6, and charge Q2 is given as 1.4 into 10 to minus 6 divided by square of distance, that is 0.123 square. While calculating the numerical value of force, we do not put the sign here. Either the charge is positive or negative. We just put their numerical values here, their magnitudes, to calculate the numerical value of force. So after calculations, after multiplying and dividing these values, after calculations, the numerical value of force comes out. F is equal to 2.748 newtons. So this is the required result of our numerical statement. The force between 2 point charges in this case is 2.748 newtons.